If you're looking for a simple and effective way to improve your cardio, burn calories, and stay fit, a jump rope is one of the best tools you can use. It's affordable, easy to carry, and perfect for workouts at home, at the gym, or even outdoors. In this video, we're going to look at the top 3 best jump ropes you can buy right now. I've compared their features, performance, and overall value to help you find the one that fits your workout style. In the third, after testing the Yatoi, I found it to be a surprisingly practical option for people who want to do cardio workouts at home without needing a lot of space. One of the first things I noticed is the cordless design, which replaces the traditional rope with weighted balls attached to each handle. This makes it possible to simulate the motion of jumping rope without worrying about hitting furniture, ceilings, or the floor. During testing, the LCD display on the handle turned out to be quite useful. It tracks metrics like time, number of jumps, calories burned, and circles, which helps keep track of progress during workouts. It's simple to use and easy to read while exercising, which adds a nice level of motivation when doing daily cardio sessions. Another feature I appreciated is the adjustable weighted system. The rope can be used either in cordless mode, with the weighted balls, or with the traditional rope attached. The weighted balls help create a more realistic jumping motion, and the removable counterweights inside the handles add extra resistance if you want a more intense workout. The 360-degree ball bearings also allow smooth rotations, which makes the motion feel fluid and comfortable during longer sessions. The handles themselves feel solid and comfortable thanks to the ergonomic silicone grip, which prevents slipping even when your hands start to sweat. I also tested it in a small room, and this is where the cordless design really shines. It's perfect for apartments, offices, or home gyms where space is limited. That said, there are a few small downsides worth mentioning. Because it's cordless, when using the weighted balls, the sensation isn't exactly the same as a full-length jump rope. Some experienced athletes might prefer the feeling of a traditional rope for high-speed training. The LCD display is useful, but it's fairly basic compared to more advanced fitness trackers. In conclusion, after testing the Yatoi cordless jump rope, I found it to be a great option for convenient home workouts, especially for beginners or people training in small spaces. It's easy to use, compact, and offers helpful tracking features for cardio sessions. While it may not fully replace a professional jump rope for advanced athletes, it delivers excellent value for everyday fitness and indoor training. Secondly, after testing the Multifun digital jump rope with smart counter and timer, I found it to be a very practical option for people who want a more traditional jump rope while still benefiting from useful tracking features. Unlike cordless models, this one keeps the classic rope design, which gives a more realistic and satisfying jumping experience during workouts. One of the first things I noticed during testing is the built-in LCD screen on the handle, which displays useful workout data such as jump count, timer, calories burned, and weight settings. It's simple to set up and makes it easy to track your progress during training sessions. For people trying to improve endurance or lose weight, having these numbers visible during exercise can be quite motivating. The rope itself feels well designed for regular workouts. The 360-degree ball bearings allow the rope to spin smoothly without tangling, which is especially helpful when doing faster cardio sessions like HIIT or boxing-style training. I also appreciated the adjustable rope length, which allows you to customize it depending on your height. Adjusting the length was quick and straightforward during testing. The anti-slip foam handles are another strong point. They provide a comfortable grip and help prevent slipping even during longer workouts when your hands start to sweat. The handles are lightweight, but still feel solid enough for daily fitness use. However, after using it for a while, there are a few small downsides to consider. While the tracking features are useful, the LCD display is fairly basic and doesn't provide advanced analytics like a smartwatch or fitness app would. Some users may also prefer heavier ropes for more resistance training. Additionally, like many fitness accessories in this price range, the durability may not be as high as premium professional jump ropes. In conclusion, after testing the Multifun digital jump rope, I found it to be a solid and affordable option for everyday fitness training. It offers smooth rotation, comfortable handles, and useful tracking features that make workouts more engaging. While it may not be designed for professional athletes, it delivers great value for people who want an easy way to improve their cardio, burn calories, and stay active at home or at the gym. And to finish, first of all, after testing the Renpho Smart Jump Rope, I quickly realized that this model is designed for people who want a more connected fitness experience. Unlike traditional jump ropes, this one integrates with a mobile app that tracks your workout data in real time, which makes it particularly interesting for people who like to monitor their progress closely. During my testing sessions, the Renpho Health app was one of the most useful features. Once connected, it allows you to track several workout metrics such as jump count, calories burned, time, and overall workout history. This makes it much easier to follow your progress over time and stay motivated during regular cardio training. The rope itself feels well built and performs smoothly. Thanks to the 360-degree ball bearing system, the rope spins fluidly without tangling, even during faster workouts like HIIT or boxing-style skipping. The PVC-coated steel cable adds durability while still being lightweight enough for speed training. I also appreciated the adjustable rope length, which makes it easy to customize depending on your height. Another positive point during testing was the foam handles, which provide a comfortable and secure grip. Even during longer sessions when your hands start to sweat, the anti-slip design helps keep the rope stable and easy to control. However, there are a few small drawbacks worth mentioning. Because this is a smart fitness rope, you need to connect it to the mobile app to access all the tracking features. If you prefer a simple workout without using your phone, some of the smart features may feel unnecessary. Also, like many connected fitness devices, the Bluetooth connection can occasionally require reconnection, depending on your phone. In conclusion, after testing the Renpho Smart Jump Rope, I found it to be a great option for people who want to combine cardio workouts with fitness tracking. The smooth rotation, comfortable handles, and smart app integration make it a very engaging training tool. While the connected features may not be essential for everyone, it offers excellent value for anyone looking to track performance and stay motivated during their workouts. To conclude this top 3 jump ropes, each of these models has its own strengths. Whether you're looking for a smart jump rope with tracking features, a classic rope for intense workouts, or a cordless option for training in small spaces, the best choice really depends on your fitness goals and how you plan to train. If you are interested in the product, the link is in the description. But above all, subscribe to not miss the next videos. See you soon.